Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select passwords and security over here. Then click on face unlock and enter your current login method. After that, you need to follow the instructions, choose start, wait 5 seconds, tap on next, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can name your face data over here if you want to and choose done. After that, click home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Xiaomi. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!